guys, in our assessment class today, Sir Ramir explained some important concepts like testing, measurement, evaluation, and assessment. I used to think they were all the same thing, but I see the difference. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I found it really interesting. I used to interchange test and assessment all the time. But now, I understand that a test is just a tool, while assessment is a broader process that includes everything, like collecting, recording, scoring, and interpreting results.
That's right. This is just one part of assessment. It helps measure our knowledge, but assessment also involves an evaluation, which is about making judgment based on criteria and evidence.
Exactly. Sir Ramir said that a test is just a tool, but testing is a process of measuring that we're learned. And measurement, on the other hand, deals with the qualifying or our knowledge like getting a score.
Yes, and then evaluation is more about judgment. When teachers evaluate us, they don't just look at numbers, they also check if we met the standards they set. That's why there are rubrics and grading system.
And all of these terms fall under the umbrella of assessment. It's most comprehensive one because it involves testing, measurement, and evaluation together.
That makes sense. Now I understand why teacher give tests. Not as a punishment, but see how much we've learned. There are also different type of tests like standardized tests and teacher-made tests.
Standardized tests are created by experts and used widely, like the National Achievement Test or licensure exams. Teachers-made tests, on the other hand, are made by our classroom teachers to measure what we've learned based on the lesson objectives.
And then, within teacher-made tests, we have objective tests like multiple choice and true or false, and subjective tests like essays. Objective tests have only one correct answer, while subjective tests allow students to express their understanding in their own words.
That's true. And multiple choice questions, we choose the correct answer from the given option. While in essay tests, we explain our thought and data. But essay tests require a good organization and resume skills.
Speaking of tests, do you remember Sir Amir's questions about why teacher give tests? Some teachers might use tests as punishment, but the real purpose is to assess learning, identify strengths and weaknesses, and measure teaching effectiveness.
Exactly. Tests help teachers decide if they need to reteach a lesson or move on to a new topic. They also help us know what we need to improve on.
This discussion really helped me to understand this concept better. I used to feel nervous about the test, but now I see their importance. Thanks for your great conversation, guys.
Same here. Now, let's study well so we can ace our next test.